This is my dance to the Taize chant, Ubi Caritas Et Amor, when charity and love prevail. And this seems particularly relevant at the moment in our current situation of a COVID-19 lockdown, when so many people are giving charity and love to those in need. So we start with 2 pilgrim steps, so that's 3 steps forward and 1 back. So 1 and 2 and 3, rock back, and 2 and 2 and 3, rock back. And we would be joined for that if we had our lovely dancers either side of us. And then we're coming in by ourselves on a curve, and as we come in, our arms are coming up, offering with the idea of charity. So in and 2 and 3 and 4, and we come straight back out with the hands coming into the heart for love. And this time it's 3 walks and closing the feet. So I'm coming back on the right foot, back and 2 and 3 and close. So once more through. So 2 pilgrim steps to start. 1 and 2 and 3, rock back, and 2 and 2 and 3, rock back, curving in 4 walks with a gesture of charity, gesture of giving, straight back out, 3 walks and close, bringing the hands to the heart for love.